Hi my loves, welcome back once again to my channel. My name is Oma in case we are tuning in for the first time. So today's video will be all about boss braiding, a very simple boss braid. That is what we are going to do today. So if it is something that you're really interested in, please keep on watching. So today's video will not take much of our time because everything will be simple, okay? The way I will teach you guys the way you can start your boss braid to look very neat from the beginning till the end, and it's just a simple boss braid. It's not that bulky one, just a simple. For this boss braid we'll be getting a total of 12 braids in it. Okay, so I will show you guys how to cut it and how to braid it till the end. So sit back and watch the video till the end. I bet you're gonna love the video. Thank you. So I'm done with parting the hair, and I was getting a total of 12 patterns in it. Okay. So that means that we'll be getting a total of 12 boss braids in it. So after parting the hair, I will now go ahead to start braiding it. But first of all, I'll make sure that I comb the place very well. Then and apply my oil there. Okay, in case of any form of itching or any form of pain, it will help me to relieve it. So after adding my putting my oil there, I'll now go ahead in the extension that I'll be using for the boss braiding, and I'll be using my Brazilian wool. And the Brazilian wool, I will share it into two parts, the smaller one and the bigger part. The smaller one is the one that I will crochet into the hair. I'll first of all braid the root of the hair, then I will now use my crochet pin to crochet the smaller one into the root of my hair before I finally use the bigger Brazilian wool to braid it all down. So that is how I'll do the whole hair until I finish. So if you look at it very well, you just find out that the hairstyle is very simple. It is beginner friendly also. That you don't know how to brush braid does not mean that you cannot do this one. It's very easy to do. So you can watch the video and you understand more. So let me explain again in case you don't understand my first explanation. Firstly, I will apply oil at the root of my hair before buzz braiding. Like the place I cut out for braiding, I'll first of all apply oil there. Then I will comb the root of the hair very well. Then I'll now braid the root of the hair. I'll buzz braid the root of the hair. Then add I will now use my crochet needle to crochet the smaller piece of the Brazilian wool I'll be using for the braiding. Then I will now use the bigger parts. You know, the Brazilian wool, I divided it into two, the smaller one and the bigger one. I'll crochet the smaller one into the root of the hair. Then the bigger part, I will now use it to braid it all down. And that is all. I hope you guys understand it more now. Yeah, I'm done with everything concerning the hair. So I just want to add my beads. You can add any hair ornament of your choice. Me, I like adding beads in hairstyles like this because it helps to bring out the color and it helps to bring out the beauty of the hair. So I will now put my beads in the whole hair, and after that I'll now use my hair mousse to slick down the hair. Just rub it around the hair so that it will make the hair to be more relaxed and very neat. So let me know if you'll be trying this hairstyle on your hair, or maybe you'll be doing it for a friend. Let me just know in the comment section below if you'll be trying it out. For me, it's just a very simple hairstyle that is very beautiful. Okay, it doesn't take much of your time. It's just 12 pieces. It's not much, and it looks very beautiful. When you are done with it, I bet you're gonna love it. So let me know if you'll be trying out the hair on your hair. And thank you guys for watching once again. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and then turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, okay? And if you've not liked the video, also give us a massive thumbs up, and they help us to share the video with your family and your friends and your loved ones, okay, so that you can help us to reach a larger audience. So thank you guys once again for watching the video. Thank you for your massive support. We really appreciate. See you all in our next one. For now, bye.